And hello Philippines and hello world. This is Greg, the computer guy, and our lesson for today is about how to install Active Directory, DNS, and the DHCP. First, Active Directory is our security library that allows to create users, group, and organizational unit. DNS is the domain name server that maps the IP addresses to domain name, and the last is the DHCP or Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol that gives us a dynamic IP addresses. So, hello again at nandito na tayo ngayon upang ituro ko sa inyo kung paano mag-install ng Active Directory, DNS, and the DHCP. So, as we can see, makikita natin na nandito tayo ngayon sa Server Manager, and Server Manager provide us a tools that we need to administer the server. So, first, pumunta tayo dito ng Manage. As we can see, add rules and features. So, ito na. Create tayo. Click Next. Role-based or feature-based installation. Click Next. Server selection. Click Next. Server roles. So, ito pipiliin natin kung alin yung mga i-install natin, and first is the Active Directory domain. So, add features, and next is the DHCP server. Just double click, add features, DNS server, add features, and hit next. So, marami siyang mga cheche-pareche, and click next. 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 Hit next. Confirmation. So, sabi, kailangan nating restart for every action that we change in our server. So, we should restart the computer and install, and yan. So, matagal na process ito, and I will be back. I shall return. So, natapos na natin ang installation. Configuration required ay natapos na natin. So, promote this server to domain controller. And so, marami tayong buttons na makikita. Add a domain controller to an existing domain. So, hindi yan ang kailangan natin. Add a new domain to an existing forest. Hindi rin yan. At add a new forest. So, choose this and root domain name, and I choose stay.com. So, pwedeng whatever, .net, .org, or whatever. So, hit next. Just wait. So, matagal siya. So, we just type our password, and hit next. And the delegation for DNS server cannot be created because the server cannot be found. So just ignore this notification. Next. Net BIOS name. So as we can see, hit next, and just wait for additional options, and hit next. Next. So, marami tayong nakikitang warning sign. As long as hindi yan kulay red, so just ignore them and proceed. Click install. So, we just wait. And so, matagal talaga ang pag-install at kailangan natin hintayin ito. And ayan, natapos na natin ang pag-install. So, ayan, makikita natin na nagre-restart ang ating virtual box, ang ating computer, and we just wait for a second. ayan, tapos natin ang pag-restart ng ating virtual machine. So, we just log in. And we just wait. Ayan, as we can see, makikita natin na yung mga install natin na DHCP ay makikita na natin dito sa left side, the DNS. And ibig sabihin yan, natapos na natin ang pag-install ng DHCP, DNS, and Active Directory. So, ganun lang kasimple. And again, this is Greg, the Computer Guy.